guys, happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to be making an origami heart. And we're also going to be making two $1 DIY room decor ideas, like a nebula galaxy in a bottle and a glitter jar. So let's get started. You need 4 cups of water and you need some paint, and you just dump a little bit, like a squirt of paint inside, like a little inside the water, and you mix it up all together. And I think I put too much paint and water because I had a lot of after. So once you finish mixing it, you put some cotton balls and some glitter, some glitter on top of the cotton balls, and you put some paint inside the cotton balls and the paint water inside the cotton balls, and then you just put another more cotton balls, and you just keep putting paint and cotton balls. Just repeat the process over and over again. And I like to pour out some excess paint, and I also like to put glitter and more cotton balls, and then shake it up all together so then it looks really good. So now we're going to be moving on to the glitter jar, and for this you need water and some glue and a jar and some glitter. So you pour out water halfway in the jar, and you pour out half of the glue in the bottle and inside the thing, and then you just put all the glitter that you want, and you just fill it up with more water, and then you shake it, and there you go. So now it's time for our Valentine's Day bonus DIY, which is the origami heart. So for this, you're just gonna need a post-it, and you're gonna fold it less than half, open it up again, and fold a little piece, and then you put the bigger piece on top of the little piece, and you fold the corners up kind of to make a heart shape kind of thing, and then you just fold in the pointy parts of the heart inwards, and then there you have it, a heart. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!